Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Hey, love you all. You love us so beautiful, so elegant. Just looking at fantastic videos and a fantastic design. I really share with you everybody like more elegant videos and a different amazing different attractive videos or more demanding designs. You're looking very elegant videos. Hope so I really share with you and different types of ideas, different amazing, different beautiful and charming looks. I really share with newly videos in a newly designed and different types of videos. Hope so I really share with newly videos in a newly designs and different attractive videos and different types of ideas, different types of videos. You're looking very attractive, you're looking very beautiful and charming videos and different types of videos, all good and charming designs and different types of ideas and different types of videos. You're looking very attractive, you're looking very beautiful things and different types of things. Always be sharing most attractive and demanding designs and demanding videos are all good charming ideas and different types of ideas, different amazing videos. You're looking very attractive, you're looking very gorgeous and stunning designs and different amazing, different beautiful charming videos. You're looking very attractive, you're looking very beautiful and stunning videos. Always be sharing most attractive designs and attractive videos and different types of ideas, different beautiful different types of ideas are looking beautiful and charming designs. Hope so I really sure we could looking for more elegant designs and more beautiful things are more attractive. You're looking very attractive and stunning videos in a different attractive design. Hope so I really share with you everyone. You like more beautiful things and you're looking very attractive, you're looking very beautiful and charming designs. Oh, take care.